Hi, so I'm Natalie Morris and I'm a Corporate Senior Specialist at Toyota Engine Plant on Deeside. We produce engines and we produce an engine every 44 seconds. We're also on target to become Toyota's first manufacturing plant to be carbon neutral by 2025. Toyota have worked with Coleg Cambria for many years and we have an established really strong relationship both through professional and apprenticeship training. An apprenticeship enables us as a company to nurture new talent through their career journey, both within the classroom and on the job. The college job shop's been integral for us to advertise our apprenticeship positions within the college, and a number of our ex-apprentices have been college students who we've met at the employers events, who've spoken to some of our ex-apprentices to learn firsthand what our programmes actually entail. For any other companies considering employing apprentices, do it. We need to build a strong and diverse workforce for the future, and what better way to show your commitment to this?